The Tesco app is your primary tool for accessing Clubcard vouchers. First, ensure you have a Tesco Clubcard account and the app installed on your iOS or Android device. Log in using your Clubcard number and PIN. Once logged in, navigate to the Offers tab. This is where you'll find all available vouchers. Tesco offers two main types of digital vouchers: Clubcard coupons and e-vouchers. Clubcard coupons are digital discounts unlocked by earning points or through targeted offers, like 10% off groceries. You can clip these to your digital wallet within the app. E-vouchers are essentially gift cards or prepaid credits, such as £10 off fuel, often seasonal, like Christmas e-vouchers, generated through point redemption. Keep an eye out for personalized, AI-driven offers based on your shopping habits, which Tesco rolled out starting in 2023 to maximize your savings. Redeeming your vouchers is straightforward. In store, once you've selected your Clubcard coupon or e-voucher you wish to use, simply scan the QR code displayed on the app at checkout. For online purchases, the app will automatically apply available codes during the cart review. If you have a Tesco bank account, linking it to the app since 2024 allows for seamless point redemption and instant transfers to digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay, making it easier than ever to use your points. To manage your vouchers, go to My Account, then Redeem Points to see your balance and select your desired voucher type. Remember that all Clubcard coupons are predominantly digital since 2025, helping reduce paper waste. Also, be aware of potential app glitches during peak times and ensure your app is updated for the latest security enhancements.